Here in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add PayPal debit or credit card button in your Shopify store. The problem which we are going to solve here is that our customers are trying to do the payment but they don't have the PayPal account. So they wanted to pay using debit card or maybe credit card. So I will show you step by step that how you can add PayPal debit or credit card button in your product page as well as cart page of the store. So here on my screen you can see that this is the dashboard. I have installed Studio theme, so this is free theme. If you have any of the free themes like Write theme, Refresh, Sense, Down, Origin, Spotlight, Craft, Taste, Studio, Crave, Publisher, Color Block, Trade. So for all these free themes, the same code will be applied which I am going to implement for Studio theme. Okay, so I have already given the links below in the description. So you need to download two codes. So the first code will be related to product page and second code will be related to cart page. So let's start with the product page code first. So you should open this folder. We have 4 files. You should open documentation-product.txt. The first step is go to Shopify dashboard, click on themes, click on edit code, click on snippets. So here we have the dashboard. Click on these 3 dots and you need to duplicate this theme and then click on edit code. We have folders and you should click on snippets. So here we have the second step, which is create a new snippet, PayPal thank you. So you should copy the name from here, click on add a new snippet, paste it here and then click on done. Then you should paste this attached code, PayPal thank you, and then you should paste it right here. Save the changes and close this file. Go back to the documentation. The third step is create new snippet, PayPal-buttons-product. So copy the name from here and then click on add a new snippet, paste the name here, click on done, and then after you should paste the attached code, which is PayPal credit card product. You need to copy this complete code and then you should paste it right here and then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, then you can close this file and go back, and fourth step is replace client ID with live client ID of your PayPal. So basically you need to open that PayPal file again. Here we have PayPal buttons-product.liquid and inside of it we have client ID. So the purpose of this client ID is to connect your PayPal with your Shopify. If a customer is paying the amount, so that amount will be received in your PayPal account. So I have already given the link below in the description. You need to follow that video and you will get to know that how you can copy and paste the live client ID of your PayPal here. And then after, your PayPal account will be linked with this Shopify store. For now, I am going to use this sandbox testing account. So this is the testing client ID for just the testing purpose. So click on save and then after you should go ahead with the fifth step, which is you can update the currency if you want. So here we have added US dollars. If you have any other currency, then you can put the currency code here. For example, Euro, EUR. For sixth step is go to man-product.liquid. So you should copy the name from here, search it here, and then you should open man-product.liquid. Inside of this file, you need to search quantity input. So you need to copy and then you should find here it is highlighted and you need to copy this complete line from here and then paste it above this highlighted line and then save the changes. Once you have done this, then you have to follow the seventh step, which is go to assets, open global.js. You need to copy the name of file, search it here, open this global.js, and then after you should copy this line, update variant input. Using Ctrl F, you should find this and press enter key again, and here is the function. So this function is starting from here and ending at this line. So you need to copy this complete line from here. This is the code which we are going to paste just above this closing curly brace. Then save the changes. Go back to the 8th step, which is go to customize product and create a custom HTML section and paste below code. So basically we need to copy this complete code from here and then go back to the dashboard. Click on customize, click on this drop down, click on products, click on default product, and then you need to click on add block, and here we have custom liquid and you need to paste that code here and then move this custom liquid below this button buy buttons. Then save the changes, go back to the 9th step, which is go to theme.liquid and then copy this body tag and find it actually inside the theme.liquid. So you need to clear this search box, click on theme.liquid, and using Ctrl F you need to find this line. So basically this is at the end of this file, body tag. So just above it we are going to paste this line of code. Actually this is the thank you page which we have created before, and we need to include it right here. Then save the changes. Now we have to preview the changes. You should click on catalog. For example, I am selecting this product, and then here you can see that we have PayPal button, we have debit or credit card button as well. Now we are going to test debit or credit card button. So you need to click on debit or credit card button. So it will open a form for adding the card details. So I have test card which I am going to put it here. So for example, I am writing here Sarah, and here you need to put your shipping details, and then you need to select the city. We are going to put the zip code, then we have the phone number, and then we have the email ID, and then finally you need to click on pay now. Once the payment is done, then you will see that confirmation pop up here. Thank you Sarah, confirmation ID is this, your order is confirmed, and order details is below. We have email ID and shipping address. So now let's confirm the transaction in the PayPal. So let me open my PayPal account. So you need to log into your PayPal account also, and you should log into it. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel, also like this video. Once you are logged into your PayPal account, you should scroll it down, and here you can see the last transaction, which is payment from Sarah. So once I am clicking on it, I will get the shipping details here, and here is the product name, and we have the quantity also. So that's how you are actually receiving the payment from your customers. Then you should close this pop-up. And now if you are interested to remove this yellow button, so how you can do that? You should go back to that file, and here you should scroll a little bit down, and you can see we have funding sources. You need to remove paypal.funding.paypal. So for example, I am removing this. Let me save the changes, and then you can actually refresh this page. Here we go. Now you can see that we don't have the yellow PayPal button, but for now I need it, so I am going to undo the changes, and let me save the changes. Now refresh it back, and here we go. And next step is that we are interested to put the PayPal buttons on our cart page. So you should have the PayPal buttons just below checkout button. So how we can do that? I have already given the link below in the description. Once you are downloading the code, then you will be having these 4 files. So you should open documentation-cart. So you should have all these steps. The first step is go to Shopify dashboard, click on themes, click on edit code, click on snippets. So we are already there actually. So here you can close all the old files. I'm going to close it. Then you should go ahead with and click on snippets. Then after you should click on the second step is create new snippet PayPal-thank you. So actually this thank you page we already created before. So same steps you need to follow to create it again. Okay. Then you should create new snippet PayPal-buttons-cart. So copy the name from here and click on add a new snippet, paste the name here, click on done, and it will create an empty file. So you need to copy the code from PayPal credit card. So you should copy the code from here and then paste it inside of this empty file and save the changes and close this file again. So here we have the fourth step, which is replace client ID with live client ID of your PayPal. So how we can do that? So actually you need to open the same file again, PayPal buttons-card.liquid, and here you can see that we have client ID. So this is basically connecting your PayPal with your Shopify store. Once a customer is doing the payment, then you are receiving that payment into your PayPal account. So I have already given the link below in the description to follow the video. So in that video I explained that how you can find that live client ID. You should copy and then paste it right here. For now I am going to use the test client ID from the sandbox account. So this is for the testing purpose only. So let me save the changes, and then we have the fifth step, which is you can update currency if you want. So right now we have the currency US dollars. If you have any other currency, then you can update it here like euro, EUR, or maybe any other one. Then we have the sixth step, which is go to sections, open main-cart-footer.liquid, and then so you should search it here and click on main-cart-footer.liquid, and inside of it you need to search cart-errors. So these keywords you need to find it here using Ctrl F, and it will be highlighted. Then after, you should copy this line of code and paste it just above it, and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you should go ahead with the seventh step. Go to themes, customize settings, cart, and change type of cart to pop-up notification or maybe page. So basically the thing is here, like click on these settings, scroll it down, click on cart. So it should be pop-up notification or maybe page, because on drawer we don't have any button to redirect our customers to the cart page. Okay, so we need to select page or maybe pop-up notification. And then after, you have the next step, which is go to assets, open cart.js. So copy the name of file, and then you should search it here and click on cart.js, and here we have to find cart footer. So you should use Ctrl F or maybe Command F, and here it is highlighted. So you need to paste these 3 lines of code just above here, and then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, then you should go to theme.liquid, find this body tag and paste the code above it. So basically this is the thank you page which we have already created and included. So it is again repeated the step. So for example, I am clearing this search box, click on theme.liquid, scroll it down to the bottom, and here you can see that we have body closing tag, and just above it we have a thank you page which we already included, so we don't need to include it again. Okay, then after, we have to check the preview. So let me refresh it back. Here we go. Now you can see that we have PayPal button, we have debit or credit card button as well. So let me test it now. Once you are clicking on debit or credit card, it will open a form where we can actually enter the card details. So I'm going to enter my card details. So for example, I am writing here Madani, and then I am writing here the shipping details. Then we have state, zip code, we have the phone number, we have to put the email ID, and then we need to click on pay now. Once the payment is done, then you will have this confirmation pop-up where we have thank you Madani, confirmation ID is this, your order is confirmed, and order details were this, contact information, shipping address. So let me confirm the transaction. So you need to log into your PayPal account. I am going to log into my Sandbox PayPal account. So let me log into it. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel, also like this video. Once you are logged into your PayPal account, then you can see the last transaction is from Madani. So once you are clicking on it, then you will have the shipping details, and then we have the product name, we have the quantity, we have the price. So that's how you are actually receiving the payment from your customers. So let me close this, and the cart will be cleared. You should go to continue shopping. So let me do one more thing, which is click on add to cart, click on view cart. So for example, you are interested to remove this yellow button. So in the same way like we did before, so you should scroll it down, and here you can see that we have funding sources. So you can remove paypal.funding.paypal from here, and then save the changes, and then you can refresh it back. Here we go. Now you can see that we don't have the yellow button. If you are interested to remove checkout button, so how you can do that? You should go to customize and click on this drop down, click on cart, and here we have to click, and you can click on this I button and click on save, and then you can actually refresh it back, and you will see that we don't have the checkout button anymore. Alright, so that's how you are actually implementing the code. If you have any problem or something, then definitely you can ask me, I will help you out in that. If you have any new feature to develop, so you can ask me. I have already given the contact details below in the description, so you can directly message me. I will message you back. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel, also like this video. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.